Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I went to Target's Dollar Spot, which I'm going to be having a haul, I think, Friday to show you what I found. But I found this really cute tin, and I want to make my husband a little tin box that I can put like some sweets in. And so that's what we're going to be making. So it's really a Valentine's project. So I have Design Space loaded here on my canvas. And to start, you can either go where it says New Project, the circle with the plus, or you can go to the right top corner where it says New Project in green and click that. It doesn't matter, and that will put you onto your canvas. Okay, now to find your what you want, the images, you can go to images right here on the left hand side of the right top corner in the search box and type in Valentines or Valentine, either one. Okay, and that will bring up a lot of images. You can also go to cartridges, click on that, and type in Valentines if you don't see what you want. But so I just went down through here and searched, and and then when you find what you want, you just click on it. But since I already know what I want, I'm going up to the top, My Projects, click on that, and this is the one I want. So I'm going to click on this, and it'll bring it up, and you can, if you click on this, you can see what all you need to make it. It's just Our Love is Magic, okay? If it had anything, and you can print it out if you want to refer to it, like if you needed different tools, it would have them listed here. If you want to make it as it is, you hit Make It in the bottom corner where it's green, or if you want to customize it, change the size, change anything, hit Customize right here to the left of Make It, and we're going to customize it, okay? So we put it onto our canvas. Now if you will look, when you click off of this, it doesn't highlight, but when you click back on your image, this in the layers panel turns this darker gray. See, I'll unclick, see how much lighter it got? Now I'm going to click on it, and then it's a darker gray. You'll see this is all a cut and print, but I want to make a sticker basically. And I'm going to be using the Avery sticker labels. So what I need to do is click on this, which I have, and you can tell because all these little icons come around it, and this is darker over here. And we're going to the bottom right corner, and we're going to flatten it, and then you'll see it becomes one cut then print. Okay, so we just changed that from many layers to one. So now we have one sticker. Okay, so now I'm going to put it right up here in the corner and see how big that I really want it. And I want mine to be 4 wide, and I want it to be 3 inches tall. Okay, so right now it's too wide. Let's take it down. Going to have to unlock it. You can either adjust it by pulling like this. Let me zoom in, it will help you see. You can either adjust it like this by pulling in, or you can go in here and just type, like I want it 4 wide, you can put 4.0, return, okay? But see, it's going to make it, adjusted it accordingly because this lock was left locked. If you leave this lock out from size locked and you just change this first size, it will adjust, excuse me, I'm trying to get sick. It will adjust the height in proportion, but that's just, you can see right here, it's 4 by 2.121, and you can see that up here. Well, I need mine much bigger than that. So I'm going to unlock the lock, leave the width at 4, but I'm going to change my height to 3.0. And let's take a look at that and then lock it back. That's what I want, and it didn't distort it, okay? So now all we're going to do is go to Make It, right top corner, and I'm going to turn my Cricut on and set it to Custom. And you'll see right here that it is a print then cut. Here's where you would change your mirror, but you don't want to mirror this because we are just going to be making a sticker out of it. So you don't want to mirror it, okay? So we're going to go to continue right bottom corner, click on that. Now, what we're going to do is send it to our printer. So I already have my Avery sticker sheets in my printer and I have to load mine upside down. You'll just have to check to see how you load yours because you want to print it on the side that does not have the writing. Okay, so we're going to click send to printer and I'm going to leave the bleed on and you can change if you want to make more copies. Right here's how you do it. You just click on that. And I'm going to hit print, okay? And it will print out. Now, right here, while that's printing, I'm going to go, if you have it already here, you can click on this. I've made these my favorites by starring them. But say you don't have a favorite, then you'll go browse all materials, and in the search box in the right corner, just type in washi. That's how I found that you get a better, it's like a kiss and cut, I think it's called. So I'm going to click on that and it'll make it like these sticker sheets that you see in the store where they'll peel off. That's how I do my stickers, okay? So when you click on it, it'll put a green check mark. Then we'll go to done, right bottom corner. All right, and then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out these adorable little stickers. Okay, here's the box that I told you I got at Target, and I wanted to put my little saying right here, and then I'm going to put some sweets in it and give it to him. Here's my Avery sticker labels. You can get them at Walmart. You can get them, they're more expensive at Walmart. You can get them at Office Depot, I think it is. But it's just the 8.5 by 11 shipping labels. I've also used, it's kind of like a transparent ones. I like them really well too, but I mostly use these, okay? And this is what we've printed out. So simple. And this is what I was telling you. You want on my computer, on my printer, and I have an HP, you put it in upside down so that it prints on this plain side, okay? So I have my standard grip map. We're just going to put this right on here like this. Then we're going to insert it in our Cricut. You press the blinking arrow to load and the blinking C to cut. And what it's doing right now, it's reading these black registration marks to determine where to cut. But it's really easy. I know a lot of you have gotten a Cricut for Christmas, and I'm so excited for you. I know you're going to love it. It's very user-friendly, at least that's what I found. And if you have any questions, you can email Cricut. I had to do that when I first started, and they got back to me really quickly. If you're having any problems, go to my Cricut, Learn the Explore Air 2 with me in my playlists. Start with the older videos. They'll be at the bottom and work your way up. I found when I started that it was very helpful for me to learn Design Space. Once you learn Design Space, you've got it. It's really not hard. Okay, it's cut that out. Now we're going to eject it with the blinking arrow. And we have made a Kiss Then Cut sticker. Okay, it's so simple. So now all we have to do is just take this, as you can see, and peel this right off. You could do this with the printable vinyl, or you can use this. It's really simple. You could even put this on like just paper bags if you wanted. But I wanted to do it like this because we both have sweet tooth. And I thought this would be really cute, but I got to get it. The only thing is make sure you get it level, because once it's down, it's down. I got mine a little off, but so this is what we have. We took a $3 little tin and we've definitely embellished it. And You could embellish this further if you wanted to. I don't think I'm going to because I like it just like this. And then I want my goodies to stand out in there. And believe me, he's going to like his goodies. But so it's really easy to take anything with your Cricut. I wanted to do something really simple that is still really pretty. This image came from Design Space. They have so many. You can download your own. I've downloaded some, and we're going to get into that a little bit later. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.